Discover your ideal career path through astrology. Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and uncover its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring how your birth chart can reveal your ideal career path. Ever felt drawn to a profession without knowing why? Or struggled to find the right job? Astrology might have the answers. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, as well as a free 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your journey through astrology and career begins now. Let's dive in. We spend years trying to figure out what we should do in life. Some people find their calling early, while others struggle for decades. But what if your birth chart could provide clues about your natural strengths, ambitions, and professional success? Many famous people have astrological placements that perfectly align with their careers. Let's take a look at how astrology influences career choices and what your chart might reveal about your own path. Your career potential isn't just about your sun sign. Several elements of your birth chart shape your professional path. The sun, your core energy and natural talents. The moon, your emotional needs and what makes you feel fulfilled at work. The midheaven, your public image, reputation, and career trajectory. Saturn, your work ethic, discipline, and long-term success. Mars, your ambition, drive, and leadership potential. Jupiter, where you find growth and expansion, often tied to luck in career. Let's explore how these placements appear in the birth charts of famous people. Some celebrities' careers align perfectly with their astrological placements. Here are a few examples. Oprah Winfrey, Midheaven in Sagittarius. Oprah, one of the most influential media figures, has Midheaven in Sagittarius, the sign of teaching, wisdom, and sharing knowledge with the world. She built her empire through storytelling, interviews, and inspiring millions, all key traits of Sagittarius energy. Elon Musk, Mars in Aquarius and Midheaven in Taurus. Elon Musk's Mars in Aquarius fuels his innovative, futuristic, and rebellious drive. Meanwhile, his Midheaven in Taurus reflects long-term financial success, stability, and a focus on material impact. This combination makes perfect sense for a tech entrepreneur focused on innovation and sustainability. Beyoncé's Sun in Virgo, Midheaven in Leo. Beyoncé's Virgo Sun explains her perfectionism, work ethic, and discipline in mastering her craft. But her Midheaven in Leo is why she shines on stage. Leo rules the spotlight, fame, and performance. These examples show how astrology reveals our professional strengths and natural inclinations. But what about you? Now, let's talk about how you can use astrology to find your ideal career. Here are some practical steps. Look at your midheaven. Your MC sign shows what kind of career suits you best. Example, MC in Aries, leadership roles, entrepreneurship, and high-energy careers are a great fit. Examine your Saturn placement. Saturn shows where you'll need to work hard for long-term success. Example, Saturn in Gemini, mastering communication or technology could bring career stability. Check your Mars for work drive. Mars shows how you take action and handle ambition. Example, Mars in Capricorn, you thrive in structured long-term careers with clear goals. By analyzing these placements, you can align your career with your natural strengths and talents. While the midheaven is a major factor in career astrology, your sun sign also plays an important role in shaping your work style and natural talents. For example, a Cancer sun may thrive in nurturing careers like healthcare, psychology, or social work. A Capricorn sun is drawn to structured leadership roles, excelling in business, finance, or corporate management. A Gemini sun might find success in communication, journalism, or technology, where adaptability is key. Your sun sign represents your core identity, so combining it with your midheaven can help refine your career direction even further. Try this. Look at your sun sign and midheaven together. Do they align with your current profession, or do they reveal a hidden calling? While the midheaven shows your public image and the sun sign reveals core traits, the moon sign reflects what truly fulfills you at work. Example, a Pisces moon might need a creative, artistic, or healing career to feel truly satisfied. A Leo moon thrives when recognized and appreciated, making careers in leadership, performance, or entertainment ideal. By aligning your career not just with your skills, but also with your emotional needs, you create long-term job satisfaction. Astrology isn't just about choosing the right career. It can also help you time important decisions. Planning a career move? Look for Jupiter transits to your midheaven, MC. These bring growth, promotions, and opportunities, especially when forming positive aspects with your Sun or Mercury. Feeling stuck? A Saturn return around age 29 and 58 often brings career changes and tests. Launching a project? Consider using a new moon in your 10th house for maximum impact. By working with astrological cycles, you can make smarter career moves and take advantage of cosmic timing. Your birth chart is like a map of your strengths, challenges, and potential. Understanding its influence on your career can help you make better choices and create a path that feels aligned with who you truly are. Want to uncover your own vocational astrology profile? There's a free tool linked in the description where you can generate your birth chart and start exploring your cosmic blueprint today. What's your midheaven sign? And do you feel your career truly aligns with it? Let's compare insights. Drop your midheaven in the comments, and let's discuss. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new cosmic insight. And if you want to align your life with the power of the stars, download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner, link in the description. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.